Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through map settings for the Roborock Qrevo Edge. If you're interested in the Edge or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, we're in the Roborock app. We're going to select the first robot because that's our Edge. Now we're taken in and we have our map already populated. So to look at the settings and to change our map, top right hand corner, there's a settings gear icon, and then to the left of that, there's a map with the pencil icon. We're going to select that and it gives us two tabs. The first one's Edit Map, where we can then pick and choose our map right here. So we can manage maps, rename our maps. Right-hand side, there's a little map with a plus icon right there. So we could do a quick map for another map. We can back up, restore, and delete our map. And then below that, we have no-go zones. So basically, it's cleaning area management. So we can set those up. Do you want to add an invisible wall or a no-go zone? And again, you can pick and choose where that zone goes on your map, and you can add multiples of each. Next, we have Edit Room. So from here, we can choose to merge rooms together, right? Pick and choose the rooms you want to merge. We could divide a room. So there we go. Then we can just take this line and divide this room if we wanted, right? Get it exactly where you want it. We could name a room. A lot of preset names for you there. Or we could remove a room. So you could choose a room, and then it would remove that particular area. So you have that option there too, if you need to fine tune something like that. Then we have Edit Furniture. I don't know why, but if you want to add furniture to the map, you can do that here. A wide assortment of furniture. That's just going to be for your own preference. And then we have Edit Surface. So floor type. Pick and choose the floor type there. We have carpet, so we could add carpet if it missed carpet somewhere. And then we could add thresholds. So you can add a threshold and build out your map that way. But that's not all of our map settings. Don't forget we have that map details tab, 2D or 3D viewing. And then we can toggle on or off these icons at the bottom if we want those to display on our map or not. And we can also rotate our map in 90-degree increments. And that's not all. From here, again, we have map 1. We can select that and go to this Manage Maps option. And that takes us to map saving. So we can toggle that on or off. Home layout, single or multi-level. Smart recognition or manual selection to choose how you wanted to identify which map to use at any given time. And then here's our current map. We can edit, restore, or down at the bottom, we can create a new map. If you select that, then you can enable quick mapping here. It walks you through a little tutorial to make sure your room and environment is prepped properly. But that's how you get to that. And you can also get to that another way. Settings in the top right-hand corner, and then down here, manage maps. And that's all the same features that we just looked at. So very detailed mapping options to adjust floor type, add no-go zones, things along those lines there. That's what you're able to do with the mapping settings for the Roborock Qrevo Edge.